Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I wonder what is she up to? So in today's video we will discuss about how easy it is to actually quit smoking. So I will start with a little bit of my own background, how I had started smoking. So you know how in every group it starts like, okay, take one drag, it's not like nothing's gonna happen. You cough a little bit, your smoker friends like, haha. Then later you want to prove them so you don't cough the next time. After that you like the taste of the cigarette, so you are smoking more. Then you have your own brand, and after every meal, after waking up, after this, after that, it just begins. So it's never really just take one puff. That one puff takes you to your whole box of your own brand and spending a lot of money. So similar thing happened to me. I had started smoking, and for good 7 years I was a full-on smoker. So, and I didn't quit until early last year. So like in the beginning of last year I was fully out, and before that I had started my journey a little bit. Like I wasn't at least smoking as much as I did before. So why I wanted to make this video is that, like, even for me, when I decided that okay, I want to quit, so the decision came a lot before. Maybe 2-3 years ago I realized that okay, this is not, this is not something right. It doesn't feel right in my mouth. It doesn't smell nice, and it's not actually giving me anything. But I always thought that it is just impossible to quit, because the addiction with nicotine is so much that it doesn't seem real. It doesn't seem realistic to actually even think of quitting, because you are just so addicted to smoking. Like after every meal your body tells you okay, you need a cigarette. You smoke a cigarette, after that you're chilled out. After waking up you're like, oh my god, I need to start my day with a cigarette, with your coffee, with your chai, with before sleeping. So this is just like a never ending cycle, and it actually doesn't feel real to be out of it. So similarly for me, even I thought that even though I want to quit, I don't think I can ever quit, because I am such a big smoker. I am smoking so many. Earlier I used to smoke the box cigarettes. After that I got my own tobacco. So I was just rolling and smoking, like to the extent where I'm like waking up and like I need a cigarette. So it is a really bad lifestyle, and the fact that you think that it is so far away to actually quit is where we all, the ones who feel the need to quit, take a step back, because there's no real options to or a real path to where you can go and actually be away from it. So one such, like, I could give you some, what do you call it, ways. So for example, you could start with when you are smoking your cigarette. Actually this is from Osho only, so I won't take credit for it. And so Osho says that when you are smoking your cigarette, just be conscious of it, because most of the times we are stressed out. We're like, oh my god, my boss is so annoying, give me a cigarette. You smoke a cigarette, within 2 minutes it's over. You don't even realize what goes into your body. You don't realize your action. You do not actually consciously do it. So he says that the next time you are doing it, or every time you do it until you quit, just be conscious of it. Be conscious of this stick thing which is burning, which is going into your mouth. It's going into your body, and then the smoke is coming out of your body. So the more conscious you will be, the more you would realize that okay, something weird is going on. So that is one step that you could, one way that you could take your step towards quitting. So the second way is to just go for it. Decide that okay, I am going to quit smoking. Throw your box away. Now I understand that maybe doing it forever, or the thought of doing it forever, might seem unrealistic. So we can start with 3 days. For 3 days, decide that okay, I'm not going to touch a cigarette. I'm not going to do it. On the 4th day, I might, but for 3 days, I'm not doing it. Now, this is only a way to fool yourself. So on the 3rd day, if you feel like, this is not so bad, extend it to 3 more days. Then 1 more day. So now you are 1 week away from cigarettes. See how your body feels. See that how you are actually capable of, quitting. So slowly, after it's been 1 week, take yourself to this 21-day challenge where it is said that you need 21 days to build a habit. So after 7 days, say that okay, I'm not going to do it for 21 days, and on my 22nd day I might. So take these baby steps towards it and just see how actually real it is to quit. It's not difficult at all. You just have to make a decision that I am not going to do it and stick with it no matter what. Now, of course, there's going to be withdrawals. You're going to be anxious, you're going to be angry a little bit, so those things will happen. But we need something to replace the smoking we need something to replace the smoking. That's the end of the sentence. So in those moments, maybe go take a walk, go take a run. If you play some music, listen to some music, talk to your friend, eat something, it's okay, eat right now. Maybe if you want to engage into, sweet stuff, do that. Because, even that is a bit hard thing to quit, but then we could manage that. Like, smoking is scary. So, just replace your need to smoke with something else and slowly take baby steps. It's okay, withdrawal happens, these things will happen. Just give yourself 21 days that okay, for 21 days I am ready to take all the pain. Bring it on, I'm gonna take it. And eventually you will be out of it. So do not think that this is a far-fetched goal that might or might not happen, because you can quit, because smoking is not good for you. It's not good for you. Also, interesting, I forgot to mention this. Now, if we think about it, when are the moments when we do feel like smoking? It's not like we are in ultimate, like it's not ultimate success moment, or it's not your best moments. It's always like a stressful moment. It's always like after food. It's always with friends when you do not have anything to talk about, so you just take your cigarette and smoke it. So if you think about it, what your body is actually asking for is a state of being meditative, because when you smoke a cigarette, you actually slow yourself down, you are very anxious, you smoke a cigarette, you're slow. So just see what your body is actually asking for and what you are actually giving to it. And so instead of smoking, try to bring meditation in your life. If it wants you to slow down, then take deep breaths, Do not spoil it with an outside substance which is not even good for you. And realize that it is only your low moments, when you are low on your self-esteem, when your confidence is getting low, when you want to act cool in front of your friends, when you want to make some unnecessary digestive program easy, or those moments are actually all your low moments. And when you're already in your low moment, why do you want to get lower with cigarettes? So see, be conscious of it. I'm not saying do it right now, and I cannot even say that because I'm nobody to do that. But first of all, start with being conscious. For 2 days, be conscious. Now you are conscious. Now you realize that okay, this is something disgusting, I don't want to do it. Take the 3-day challenge. After that, take 7 days. Take 21 days. After 21 days, go towards meditation. See how you can actually slow yourself down without any external substances, and you will get there. If you want to quit, you can quit. And like, if you want to talk about this, you can put your comment down below and I will respond. And if there's something that I could make a video on, I will do that as well. So if you are planning to get on this smoke free journey, then I am with you on this and we can do this. Thanks for watching.